I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the correct snap set and matching sizes so parts seat correctly. Once done, mark the exact placement on your fabric with chalk and a ruler. Fit the cap and socket orientation so they face each other when closed. Now make the pilot hole. Use a hole punch for woven fabric or an awl for thicker leather, keeping it minimal so the post compresses tightly. Test your punch on scrap so you avoid real mistakes on the final piece. Once holes are ready, insert the cap through the material and seat the socket on top, aligning both pieces. Make sure your anvil or a solid backing is under the socket to prevent deformation. Alignment is critical so the cap stem nests into the socket uniformly. If using a hammer, give controlled, medium strikes rather than a single heavy blow. If you have a hand press, position the die straight and compress slowly so the metal flows and locks without cracking the fabric. To finish, fit the stud through the opposing layer and place the post on top. Align it with the socket so the snap closes squarely. Press or hammer the post similarly, then test the closure several times to ensure smooth engagement. If it binds or wobbles, make sure no fabric is caught between parts. Once done, trim stray threads and reseat the snap if alignment is off. If the snap still wiggles, add a small washer or repunch the hole slightly smaller before resetting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.